This is Thursday, April 9th, 2020, and this is Michael Stillman in apartment 616 in Coronado Springs, and I'm demonstrating the general negative pressurization that occurs in the building, which is to say the air pressure inside is a lot less than outside, and what happens is a vacuum effect is created in the entire interior of the building, and it affects the air circulation, making it poor to none air circulation, and poor air circulation is a main characteristic of sick building syndrome, which causes illnesses which I've had during the 10 years I've lived here. I've had a stroke and a heart attack for unknown reasons, but once I've studied the subject, I can pretty much attribute it to this syndrome. Anyway, the vacuum effect is very noticeable. I have 3 windows in my apartment, and I closed all 3, and I left one open. Let's see if you can hear the vacuum when I open the door. Oh, I hope you can hear that. Anyway, I'm just trying that. I'll replay it to see if it works. Generally, building engineers use a tissue to demonstrate the airflow in the in a particular area of a room. So I'm using this tissue here, and I've cracked the window, and let's see, they're gonna be just right here. You notice that when it's cracked just a little degree, that there's it makes the tissue move to almost a horizontal position, which signifies significant airflow. I've had this sound like a roaring freight train certain times of the year, because and I think the airflow can be measured in miles per hour. Anyway, as you move towards the room, the tissue resumes back to its vertical shape, and really what it signifies is that the air essentially disappears that comes in. Also, I'd have to say that the air rushing in is considered unnatural. Let's see if you can see this again. This effect is attributed by at least one engineer to 5 forces: differences in temperature day and night in different sides of the building, same with differences in air pressure, differences in wind effect, what they call a stack effect, which is tall buildings have less pressurization on top, and fan pressurization, which is not a factor in this building because we don't really have fans delivering air. We're supposed to have natural ventilation. Also, building construction plays a tremendous part. If the building is made of cladding, which ours is, then it generally exacerbates the effect. And hollow cavities is what causes the air to be trapped inside and create some kind of mega bell jar effect. And I'll tap on the windows on the cladding here to show you. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's hollowness in it. So that is my demonstration of the negative pressurization effect, which is acknowledged by at least 3 major agencies and the apartment manager herself. Thank you.